I'm long here inside the New York opening range. That's the range formed between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern Time, New York local time. So I saw that initial drop as the fake move, or the Judas swing as we call it. Then you can see it displaced higher after taking out the initial high at 9:30 and taking out the subsequent low that took out that initial low at 9:30. So those are 3 drives lower, then displacement up. So I was anticipating a fair value gap forming, the first presented fair value gap, but you can see from 9:30 it's been back and forth price action. All the candles are overlapping, so there are no inefficiencies left. So these are not low resistance liquidity run conditions, which is ideally what I strive to look for. But I entered a bit early before the fair value gap formed in anticipation that it would form, but it hasn't. So ideally I would collapse the trade now because it's not looking good for me, but I think let's wait and see what happens here. So I want to see whether it can take out that initial high. So if it takes out that high, I would like to see it accelerate and move towards my limit order, and not take it out and then try to pull back into the range, because that's usually indicative of a fake breakout. Just going up to engage a high and then pulling back into the range. It's not ideal. So I want to see whether we can take out that high. So this opening range high that's annotated here is not from today, because you can see we are already inside the opening range for today. That's from a previous day this week. I can't remember when, so I need to get it off so that I only refer to the opening range for today as I watch price today. So far it's showing no interest to rip higher, but let me exercise some patience here. All this is balanced. There are no inefficiencies being left. Overlapping, back and forth price action. This can really be frustrating if you're in a trade. So I want to see whether it can take out that initial high. It's within striking distance now. You see the way it's waking up and down. If you try to trail your stop too early, it can wake and stop you out. So I'll not be moving my stop here. It's taken that high, so now I'd like to see it accelerate with momentum and engage my limit order. This candle, the next, should do that for me. Otherwise I'm out of the trade. This candle, the next one. Thank you.